Now, even though the Bharatiya Janata Party is confident of a hat-trick in the ongoing 2024 elections, the Saffron Party is leaving no stone unturned to remain on top of the voters' minds in the last phase of polls. Today, Prime Minister Modi is all set to lead the party in Bengal. Now, after rallying in Jharkhand's Goda, the Prime Minister will hold 2 rallies in West Bengal, which is a high-stakes battle for the party. Prime Minister Modi held a public meeting at Ashok Nagar in Barasat. The next public meeting will be at 4 p.m. in Jadavpur. At 5:55 p.m., he will hold a mega roadshow in Kolkata for the Kolkata Uttar constituency. Now, let's also tell you about the significance of the 2 citadels of the Trinamool Congress in West Bengal, which are Uttar and Dakshin Kolkata. First comes Kolkata Uttar, where TMC candidate Sudeep Bandyopadhyay is a 4-time MP and the BJP has never managed to win this seat. A significant number of migrants and urban development and governance are key issues in this very seat. When it comes to Kolkata Dakshin, Mamata Banerjee was the longest holder of the seat. It borders Kolkata Uttar, Howrah, Diamond Harbour, Jadavpur. It is also a high-profile seat with significant urban voters and is often contested between the Trinamool Congress and the left. Amid the BJP and the TMC's ongoing political, war of words in the state of West Bengal, with both parties alleging that each side is rigging polling procedures and repeatedly manhandling. There is manhandling of supporters of both sides. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee said that the Saffron Party should use the BJP leader title for Narendra Modi instead of Prime Minister during election campaign, as he is a caretaker PM. Going on to question why Prime Minister Modi is holding a roadshow with the lotus symbol, is he the BJP chief, is what she is asking. The BJP, on the other hand, is also slamming the Trinamool Congress for using cops to create problems in BJP's roadshows.
Mamata Banerjee boasts of her schemes, but let her boast of the corruption that has happened in her governance. Right from food to education, to ration, to rice, to coal smuggling, cow smuggling, sand mafias, you name it and she has it, her government has it. We are expecting a historic roadshow of the Honorable PM. Kolkata will witness a never before visuals. People have already started flooding in. Despite braving this natural calamity, they are pouring in from all districts which is nearby.
प्राइम मिनिस्टर कल एक मीटिंग करेंगे, रैली करेंगे, कर सकते हैं, हमारा कोई एतराज नहीं है। जितना भी पॉलिटिकल लोग रैली करे बंगाल में है, हमारा क्या एतराज है, लेकिन एडवर्टाइजमेंट देके प्राइम मिनिस्टर रैली करेंगे, बीजेपी का फोटो लगा के, बीजेपी का सिंबल लगा के, एक करेक्ट है? नहीं है। दिस इज रॉन्ग। आप बोलिए कि यू आर एज ए प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ बीजेपी आप कर रहे हैं, लीडर एट बीजेपी कर रहा है, हमको इधर में चीफ मिनिस्टर नहीं लिखा है। क्यों इतना झूठा ऐसा इस्तेमाल कर रहा है?
And Shreya's joining us. The stage is set for Prime Minister's Kolkata roadshow. He was in Barasat today, and we are also hearing that the Prime Minister is now going all out. We've also been seeing all the poll projections and the opinion polls that are going on to say that the BJP could improve its performance in the state of West Bengal. Tell us the significance of what the Prime Minister is supposed to do today, Shreya.
You know, of course, last time we have seen that the BJP have bagged 18 seats out of the total 42 seats in Bengal. Definitely this time a target of 30 has been set by the central BJP to the state BJP leadership. And today, this roadshow of the Prime Minister will be a mega push. Let me show you. We are standing right now in Shyambajar, 5 point more. You can see the statue of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Now remember, the rally, the roadshow of the Prime Minister will start from this particular point today in central Kolkata. First, he will pay floral tribute to Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. You can see that, preparation has been made, a stage has been set. He will first pay a floral tribute to Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, after which he will take the Shimla street, and this roadshow is going to end in Vivekananda's residence, where he will again pay a floral tribute to Swami Vivekananda. So you can see that there is a lot of excitement on the ground. So many people have come out and there is a lot of crowd. I would ask, in fact, my VJ to show you. You can see the kind of crowd that has already started gathering. Remember, it starts at 6 p.m. We are yet to go to the timing, but look at the ground and look at the energy. In fact, I will ask my VJ to show you. You can see people have come out from the balconies and from the windows of their residence, of their houses, to witness this roadshow by Prime Minister. Though we are yet to go to the roadshow, there is still time, but you can see so much people have come out, and you can see the color orange, how everybody is decked up and the crowd is so excited. Let me in fact try to talk to some of the people and understand how excited they are for the PM's roadshow. दीदी, मैं आपसे पूछना चाहती हूँ, आप प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदी को देखने के लिए आए हो आज?
हाँ,
आप कितने एक्साइटेड हो? पहले बार प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदी कोलकाता में रोड शो करेंगे।
মোদিকে আমরা খুব ভালোবাসি। দুর্নীতিগ্রস্ত এই বাংলাকে শান্ত করার জন্য এবং সুন্দর করার জন্য মোদিকেই আমাদের চাই, তাই মোদিকে দেখতে এসেছি।
দিদি, আপনি কি বলবেন, কতটা এক্সাইটেড?
আমি তো প্রচন্ড এক্সাইটেড। মোদির জন্য তো আমি পাগল হয়ে যাবো, কেন এত ভালো কাজ করছেন 10 বছরে। আমি চাইছি আমাদের ওয়েস্ট বেঙ্গলও এরকমই কাজ হোক, যে দুর্নীতিগুলো হচ্ছে শিক্ষা নিয়ে, সেই দুর্নীতিগুলো নষ্ট হোক।
ओके दादा, आपको क्या लगता है इस बार चुनाव में क्या मुद्दा होगा और आप कितने एक्साइटेड हो प्राइम मिनिस्टर को देखने के लिए?
चुनाव का मुद्दा तो नेता निर्धारित कर रहे हैं, लेकिन आएंगे तो मोदी ही।
Of course, you listen, आएंगे तो मोदी ही. That is the crowd, what they are saying at this point in time. They are saying that Modi is doing developmental work, and of course, they are saying that to get rid from the corruption that TMC have done, Modi is the only solution. Or let me tell you, today he is doing this roadshow to support the Kolkata Uttar candidate Tapas Roy, who was formerly a TMC MLA. Recently, he have joined the BJP party and he have been given a ticket against TMC Shudip Bandyopadhyay. This is a massive roadshow. Let me also try to in fact show you. This is the route which the Prime Minister will take, and you can see that already the security is there. Security checking is going on at this point in time, and the stage is all decked to welcome the Prime Minister today in this 5-point crossing in Kolkata.
Right. So Shreya there is reporting live from where the Prime Minister's roadshow is set to begin. And as you can see, those are preparations underway, which are with a decked up, in fact, vehicle. And there are supporters of the Bharatiya Janata Party who have descended onto the streets of Kolkata. This is Prime Minister's first roadshow. And in a matter of 1 hour, a little over 1 hour, the roadshow is set to begin. It will start with the Prime Minister paying floral tributes to one of the tallest icons of the state of West Bengal, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. And it will culminate with the Prime Minister paying tribute to one of the greatest icons of the country, Swami Vivekananda. So those are people there who are standing on their balconies and awaiting the Prime Minister. There are others who are supporters of the Prime Minister there on the streets of Kolkata. I'd like to go back to Shreya once again. Shreya, what's happening in the TMC camp? There's supposed to be a rally. Today, there is Prime Minister Modi's first ever roadshow in the city of Kolkata. And then there's also going to be a rally by Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, who's accused the Prime Minister, who's also gone on to fire a fresh barb and say that when the Prime Minister campaigns and crosses across the nation during elections, he shouldn't be called a Prime Minister. He should be called and referred to as a BJP leader.
Well, of course, this was the latest attack which Mamata Banerjee, the Chief Minister, have launched on the Prime Minister yesterday from a public meeting in Boro Bazar in Kolkata. She definitely says that Modi is going to come to the city, and I have no issue with him coming and campaigning, but he is coming here as the Prime Minister and holding roadshow, and whereas, he is wearing the symbol of BJP, he should very well call himself the president of the BJP party and then campaign for the Saffron Party. This is what Chief Minister says. Now, as far as the TMC camp is concerned, they are also giving a mega pushback to Prime Minister. Remember, today, Mamata Banerjee also has 2 padayatras, one in Dom, another one which will start from Entally and end at Baliganj Fari around 5 p.m. after which she has a public meeting around 6 p.m. So, of course, as far as TMC camp is concerned, it is not only Prime Minister who is going to hold a roadshow in the city of Joy today, but in fact, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee is also going to walk the street of the city today.